Hi guys. Welcome to Selenium WebDriver. In this video we will see how the navigation commands works. We have two commands, forward and back. First we will see how they work manually, then we will try to automate. Open freelancer.in URL in Chrome browser. Now open the Upwork URL in the same tab. Now click on Go Back icon. Then it should navigate back to freelancer.in URL. You can see now it has been navigated to Freelancer website. Now click on Forward icon. Then it should load the Upwork URL. The same functionality we will try to do in Python Selenium. From Selenium import WebDriver. Import time. Driver equals webdriver.chrome. And give the path of Chrome driver. Driver.maximize window. Call get method and pass the freelancer URL. We will pass some wait time. We will try to print the title of Freelancer website. Call get method and pass the Upwork URL. We will pass some wait time to load URL. We will try to print the title of Upwork website. Now we will call the back method. The back method allow us to navigate back to Freelancer website. Now print title. We will call forward method. This method we will navigate to Upwork website. Print title. Now we will give some wait time before closing the driver. Call the quit method. To close all the instances of the driver. In print statements we will put some string statements so that we can easily identify the in console. First, browser title. Second, browser title. Driving or navigating backward. Driving forward. Now run the navigational commands.py file. Chrome browser will open and loads the freelancer website URL. Now it loads the Upwork URL. As we called back navigation method, now it will navigate to freelancer website. Now as we called forward navigation method, it will navigate to Upwork website. Driver.quit method will close all the instances of the driver. Now we will see in the console. First, browser title for freelancer website has printed in the console. Second, browser title for Upwork website has printed in the console. Driving backward to freelancer printed in the console. Driving forward to Upwork printed in the console. Thanks for watching my video. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe.